Hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you? Today we're going to learn about how Tooling works. Let's start. Okay, this is the topic, linking. I want to a question for you. Do you sometimes find it difficult to understand spoken English? What do you say? Yes or not? Okay. Understanding spoken English, especially native English, can be difficult because we don't pronounce each word separately. In English, we link words together, so two or more words can sound like one word. In this lesson, you can see some common examples of linking English pronunciation. You can also see learning about linking can help your English listening and improve your English fluency. Okay? You are going to see a common examples. What about this? Okay. Look at here in this sentence, in the phrase. This is an activity for you. This is an activity for you. In the sentence, we link the X sound with I sound. Okay? This is. Then we link the N sounds with A sounds. An activity. Okay? This is an activity for you. Next one. Thank you so much. In this sentence, we must link the K sounds with Y sounds. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? In the sentence, I wake up early. I wake up early. In the example, we must link the K sounds with you. Okay? I wake up. I wake up early. Here in the final sentence, come on here, please. Come on here, please. We must to link the M sounds with O. Come on. Come on. Okay? Very good. Now we are going to practice with a song. Okay? Repeat after me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay? We are going to watch the video and repeat after me. Come on.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toe. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toe. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your toe. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ok.
Yeah.
Aquí Here in this song, we can see how to link the words now with the word it. If you're happy and you know it, okay? If you're happy and you know it, okay, very good. Congratulations. Okay, let's continue. Okay, finally, here is an evaluation. Read the following text, take into account the word that must be linked. Okay, this is the evaluation. Everyone must read this test. Okay, go ahead, please. Okay, very good. Congratulations. Okay, excellent. Okay, okay. Okay, it was a pleasure for me to be here with you. See you later.